Welcome to Cascais, a city which is located just a 30-minute drive out of the capital, right at the coast, and this will be our base to explore all the sites out of Lisbon. For this, I met up with my good friend and fellow videographer and photographer Patrick, aka Pasta, and he lives and works here in Cascais for more than 2 years now. So how would you describe Cascais?
Yeah, Cascais starting very much as a small fisherman village and an area where Portuguese royalty would have come. And now in recent times turning into a very popular hub for surfers and actually some tourists as well who want to experience Lisbon but more in a more quiet and relaxed fashion.
Alright, and this is exactly what we are about to do in this episode.
The Portuguese royal family made Cascais their seaside residence every September since the 1870s. With that, they attracted many members of Portuguese nobility over time. Nowadays, that wealth can be seen in all the beautiful architecture throughout the city. The citadel of Cascais was built between the 15th and 17th centuries. From here, it's not far to the lighthouse of Santa Marta with its picturesque setting. It was built in 1868. The lighthouse is the starting point of a promenade which stretches over 9 kilometers until it reaches the beach of Guincho. One of the attractions along the way is Boca de Inferno, a sea arch and cliff formation where you can watch the power of the elements.
Oh man, I'm pretty hungry. You're now at the Casa da Guia, and here we are having
Acai bowl.
acai. Just what we needed. So good.
Next destination is Guincho Beach, which is famous for surfing, a place where you can meet the surf teacher Bika.
My name is Bika. I'm one of the teachers from Surf Cascais, the head coach actually. My job is to make sure every single one that comes to this villa have a lot of fun by surfing. Surfing for me, it's so free, it's so natural, it's magical. Not even talking about the social part of being in the water with the people that you like. You are in the water with them. It could be like this simple, super simple wave, but you can be with them and just like see they are frothing on that wave and make that feeling go even higher because there's someone looking at him and destroying the lip or something like that. Guincho, it's one of our beach pointing to the west coast. The currents, that rock in the middle, kind of make the sandbank almost all year round good. And at the same time, you cannot forget that Guincho, it's super windy, almost every single day. Imagine, once that you have Guincho without wind, it's like eating those fried chickens with all your hands, you know, like, wow, so good. And being there, you see this majestic mountain with some little houses spread, the environment around, it's surfing on a paradise spot.
Right next to Guincho Beach, you can find the Decrasmina Dune, which is part of the dune system on the edge of the Sintra Cascais Natural Park. Cabo de Roca is just around the corner and one of the more popular sites, as this cape with its lighthouse is the westernmost point of mainland Portugal, and with that of continental Europe.
Located right next to the lighthouse is the Praia da Ursa, a tiny beach in a picturesque setting.
To get to Praia da Ursa, bringing proper shoes is recommended, as you need to follow a partially steep trail for about 45 minutes to access the secluded beach. The best time to come here is during the golden hour. Just make sure to head back up before it's dark.